Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tarin Njoroge, and today, as you can see, I'm going to show you guys how to do a cornrow, and I'll be using two different cornrows to illustrate this. So please make sure that you stick around till the end of this video so that you may learn how to do it perfectly. And please, I would really advise you, if you have someone that you can use to do the practice, it will be so good for you because you are going to learn it fast. But if you don't have someone, you don't have to worry because you can do this later on. So please make sure that you stick around till the end of this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new in this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to see it. So guys, without any further ado, let's get down into the video.